Morning traders, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So we ended up with a bit of a range bar, but the volatility is still there. This price basically moved within a 768 point, let's just call it a range for now. And for the DAX, that is massive. 100 points on the DAX is a lot. Sometimes you're aiming for 50 points here. But anyway, so what we're looking at the moment is some form of structure to form. So we're looking for something to indicate that we may be at the end. So the first thing is we do have a little bit of divergence here. It's pretty much a double bottom here where price made a new low. Okay, that's the first thing. The second thing is the US markets dropped well over 12% yesterday, but the DAX closed down 5%. So that in itself is saying something. Then we have the futures market at the moment. The DAX futures market is up 3.27% right now. So there's something brewing here. And for me, shorts is not the answer. I think this thing is overdone. Made the money. I mean, the bears have made their money now. So I'm looking for some structure. And we're going to have to the structure is going to have to come up on the 3, 4, or daily charts for me to start getting interested. For now, the trend is still down, and we should be looking for shorts, but I'm not looking for shorts down here. I prefer to be short higher up at a gap close or at some kind of a level. And if it does move down, then you've got a more of a solid turn. At the moment, even the 1 hour is really all over the place. The last 2 days have been pretty much all over the place. I think, today we got a gap up. Now, if we look at the hour, the high of yesterday is definitely a level to pay attention to. So pop back to the 3 hour, and you'll see even a break above that fractal doesn't validate a long for me. It'd have to be above this blue line, blue moving average, which is our 8 moving average, or 13 moving average, sorry. So I'd need to see price well above that as a break, and the fractal needs to be above that as well. So at this stage is pretty much on it. So I'm not entirely convinced that that's the right level. So you probably find a short play off the gap close here, come back, find some structure at this level. That would interest me. So in other words, 8982, I want to see price come back, go through it, and then come back and test it and hold it. That would be a level for me to start looking for a potential turn. So at this moment, sitting on hands, waiting. The 12 minutes and the low time frames are not going to give you much in the lines of opportunity. So, but it is looking a little bit overcooked at the moment. So I think my advice is sit on your hands, still wait for the confirmation of the turn, and you should get some really decent trades to the upside brewing. Anyway, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.